ganon, Mare. Mare, kinunan yung lake, hindi tayo eh. Hi! We're at the back of the house of Ate Flor. This is the lake. That is the
Kita
street.
yung lake.
Over there is the neighbor. Hindi, video yan ate.
Video.
And then over there is the house of Ate Flor. We're here at Roseville. Tumutubruhan to. Nandito kami. Ano? Lagi mo kami inaano eh. Ay! Here's the lake. Here's the lake.
Diba?
Hi! Here's the lake.
Dito lang ako naglalakad. Naglalakad lang. Jogging ko.
Akin na kayo naman ni Ate Flor. Yeah, this is Lisa coming. Okay,
Minsan na yung dalawang
go.
Yeah.
Mas gusto mo yung picture? That's Lisa and Ate Flor from work, ano nga, Well Point. Say hi!
Hi!
Hi! Nagugas ng puwet, mga umutot. Babo!